Are you in love? Are you in love?
Are you in love? Are you in bed? I'm checking up, have you taken all your meds? Think with your heart while I'm giving you some head. Cause without you I would probably be dead. Are you in love? Are you in bed? I'm sorry love, but I took all of your meds. For your broken arm, I took them for my broken heart. Are you in love? Are you in love? Are you in love? Are you in
हेलो गाइज, आज हम जा रहे हैं कौन सा खाडिया के मेले में। और अभी हम जा रहे हैं, रास्ते में हैं।
What's it like inside your mind, my dear? And do you find it terrifying there? You always let me know, you always let me go my way. You always let me know, you never let it show my deed. To the What's it like inside your mind, my dear? Terrified of getting over you. You always let me know, you always let me go my way. You always let me know, you never let it show my deed. My only friend to the end. When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do when you're with me. It felt like suddenly our souls collided, hearts entwined. When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going back. I know that's a fact, but how do I know if it's love that I'm speaking of? This is love if I'm making you breakfast. This is love if I feel myself coming down when you're not around. This is love if I think I've gone crazy. This is love if it seems I don't care at all. That your love hit me like a cannonball. I used to worry about my options, worry about my options. Yeah, I used to think too much. I think too much, but with you I forget my worries. Behind me, they can't touch me now. Yeah, love that I'm speaking of.